10 Ford F-150 brake pads, 2025. Let's dive into the details. Number 10, 2012 to 2020 Ford F-150 ceramic brake pad kit with clips. Ready to upgrade your Ford F-150 stopping power? Our ceramic brake pad kit for 2012 to 2020 F-150s delivers a superior driving experience. This comprehensive 8-piece front and rear kit, complete with clips, replacing D1414, D1602, ensures an exact fit and straightforward installation. Engineered with advanced noise dampening technology and specialized materials, you'll immediately notice a remarkably quiet, low-pitched braking experience, free from harsh screeches and excessive dust. Beyond the peace and quiet, precision-engineered chamfers and gas slots dramatically boost heat dissipation, effectively eliminating outgassing problems. This means consistently reliable, fade-resistant braking performance, giving you confidence and control on every journey. Drive smoother, stop safer. Number 9, Amazon's Choice, Best Overall Picks. When your truck or SUV is working hard, your brakes need to work even harder. Our Z36 truck and tow brake pads deliver the superior stopping power demanded by those who tow, haul, or venture off-road. If you've added weight with a trailer, heavy cargo, or larger tires, Z36 pads are crucial to avoid exceeding your stock brake limits, ensuring your safety and control on any terrain. Crafted with premium stainless steel shims, you'll experience excellent heat dissipation and virtually noise-free braking, even under extreme conditions. Plus, the included premium stainless steel hardware guarantees a hassle-free, precise installation. Upgrade to Z36 and feel the difference in confidence and performance. Number 8, F-150 ceramic front rear brake pads, 2012 to 2020. Hey F-150 owners, ready to redefine your stopping power? Our premium ceramic front rear brake pads are specifically engineered for your 2012 to 2014 F-150, all models, and 2015 to 2020 models with a manual parking brake. This comprehensive 8-piece set ensures a complete braking system refresh, replacing parts like D1414 and D1602 with ease. Crafted from high-quality, low-dust ceramic materials, you'll immediately notice cleaner wheels and a significantly longer lifespan for your braking system. Say goodbye to annoying squeaks and grinding thanks to our advanced quiet stopping technology, delivering consistently smooth, reliable performance. Enjoy unparalleled durability, stability, and a quiet, confident ride every single time you hit the brakes. Upgrade your F-150 with the stopping power it truly deserves. Number 7, F-150 ceramic front and rear brake pads, 2012 to 2020. Ready to redefine your F-150's braking experience? Our F-150 ceramic front and rear brake pads are expertly engineered for precise fitment on 2012 to 2020 models, including 2015 to 2020 with manual parking brake. This comprehensive kit provides everything needed for a full upgrade, front and rear, making installation smooth and efficient. You'll immediately notice the difference. Significantly reduced brake dust keeps your wheels cleaner, while whisper-quiet operation enhances every drive. Crafted from high-quality ceramic, these pads deliver superior heat handling for consistent, fade-resistant stopping power, extend lifespan, and provide reliable bite in diverse conditions. With optimized slots and chamfered edges, you'll enjoy a responsive, confident pedal feel whether you're cruising highways or hauling heavy loads. Drive with unparalleled peace of mind. Number 6, PowerStop Z36 truck and tow rear brake pads. Towing heavy, hauling big, or tackling tough trails, your stock brakes might be leaving you wanting more. PowerStop Z36 truck and tow rear brake pads are engineered precisely for those demands, delivering the superior stopping power crucial for safe and confident performance. Whether you're pulling a trailer, carrying a significant load, or running larger tires, Z36 pads ensure you don't exceed your vehicle's braking limits. Experience virtually noise-free braking thanks to premium stainless steel shims that excel at dissipating heat, maintaining consistent performance even under extreme stress. Installation is a breeze with the included premium stainless steel hardware. Upgrade to Z36 for the reliable stopping power and peace of mind you deserve. Just remember to confirm fitment for your vehicle. Number 5, 2012 to 2020 F-150 ceramic front/rear brake pads. Ready to give your 2012 to 2020 F150 the braking performance it truly deserves? Our ceramic front and rear brake pads are expertly crafted to deliver a superior driving experience. Engineered specifically for your truck, part numbers D1414, D1602, this 8-piece set promises exceptional quality and consistent, stable stopping power you can always rely on. You'll immediately appreciate the low dust, less powder formula, keeping your wheels cleaner and reducing maintenance. Made from high-quality materials, these pads ensure remarkable durability, translating to a longer lifespan for your entire braking system. Upgrade your F150 safety, performance, and peace of mind on every journey. Just confirm fitment and experience the difference. Number 4. Ford F150 2010 to 2011 front/rear ceramic brake pads. Ready to upgrade your Ford F150 stopping power? For 2010 to 2011 two-door and four-door models, our ceramic front and rear brake pads are a direct fit, complete with all clips for a hassle-free installation. D1012, D1414. Say goodbye to frustrating squeals and excessive dust. Thanks to advanced noise-dampening technology, you'll enjoy a remarkably quiet, low-pitched braking experience, keeping your wheels cleaner and your drives peaceful. These aren't just any pads. Precision-engineered chamfers and gas slots dramatically boost heat dissipation, efficiently preventing outgassing and ensuring consistently reliable, fade-free braking. Experience premium performance and confidence every time you hit the pedal. It's time your F150 got the stopping power it deserves. Number 3. Ford F150/Expedition truck and tow brake pads. As a Ford F150 or Expedition owner, you demand top-tier performance, especially when your truck is working hard. That's precisely why we engineered Z36 truck and tow brake pads. If you're towing, hauling heavy loads, tackling off-road adventures, or even just running larger wheels, your stock brakes can quickly be pushed beyond their limits. Our Z36 pads deliver the superior stopping power required for these demanding situations, ensuring confident, controlled braking every time. Crafted with premium stainless steel shims, they provide exceptional heat dissipation, virtually eliminating noise for a quiet ride. Plus, we include all the premium stainless steel hardware for a truly hassle-free installation. Upgrade to Z36 for enhanced safety and unwavering peace of mind on every journey. Number 2. PowerStop F150/Blackwood coated ceramic brakes, F/R. Ready to give your F150 or Blackwood the stopping power it deserves, without the usual mess? PowerStop's coated ceramic brakes are engineered precisely for you. Experience pristine, dust-free wheels thanks to our low-dust ceramic pads, a benefit validated by rigorous U.S. testing. But it's not just about clean. Our genuine geomet-coated rotors maintain that new car aesthetic, fully protected from rust, even deep within the veins, extending their life. Enjoy significantly improved stopping power and virtually silent braking, courtesy of dual-layer rubberized shims that insulate noise. Upgrade your ride with a system designed for performance, longevity, and a consistently sharp look. Number 1. Carbon Ceramic Daily Driver Brake Kit. Ready to redefine your daily drive? The Carbon Ceramic Daily Driver Brake Kit isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete transformation for your everyday vehicle. Engineered for superior performance, our Z23 carbon fiber ceramic brake pads deliver significantly enhanced, responsive stopping power, giving you ultimate control and confidence. Paired with precision-engineered drilled and slotted rotors, you'll experience maximum cooling and consistent, fade-resistant braking, mile after mile. Plus, the sleek silver zinc dichromate plating protects against rust and corrosion, ensuring long-lasting good looks and performance. This comprehensive kit includes rotors, pads, and all necessary hardware, making installation straightforward. Elevate your commute. Drive with newfound confidence and superior braking performance. So, that sums up my 10 Ford F150 brake pads. I hope you enjoyed this review. Remember, you can find the prices of the products in the description, so make sure to check those out. Until next time,